students. Today we are going to see an algorithm for finding A inverse. An algorithm for finding A inverse. We place A and IN. A means matrix A and IN means identity matrix of order n side by side to form A an augmented matrix AIN. This is augmented matrix. Then the row operations on this matrix produce identical operations on A and on IN. From row reduce the augmented matrix AIN if A is row equivalent to IN, then matrix AIN is row equivalent to matrix INA inverse. Otherwise A does not have A inverse. Here we have to place A and IN side by side to form a augmented matrix AIN. Then perform row operations on this matrix to produce identical operations on A and IN. We have to row reduce the augmented matrix. If A is row equivalent to IN, then this augmented matrix AIN is row equivalent to INA inverse. Otherwise A does not have A inverse. We will see one example on this algorithm. Find the example is find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to 1 3 matrix 1 3 5 2 1 1 3 2 4 solution. Here we have to find inverse of the matrix. First we have to consider augmented matrix A, I, and we have to perform row operations on it. If this A is row equivalent to I, and this is nothing but A inverse. Okay, we will see step by step. First we have to consider matrix AI, augmented matrix. A means this matrix 1 3 5 2 1 1 3 2 4. See, this matrix is order of 3 by 3. Therefore we have to consider identity matrix of order 3 by 3, which is nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Now we have to perform here row operations that produce this A as identity matrix, and operations on this matrix will give us A inverse. Okay. See here we required 0 0, so we perform operation R2 plus minus 2 into R1. Here we require 0, therefore we perform operation R3 plus minus 3 into R1. Okay. See here, first row keep as it is 1 3 5 1 0 0. What is row operation? R2 plus minus 2 into R1. What is R2 is 2 plus. See here, what is first entry of second row is 2 plus minus 2 into R1. Minus 2 into R1 means minus 2 into first entry of first row, which is 1. See here, 2 plus minus 2 is 0. What is second entry? R2 1 plus minus 2 into 3, which is minus 6, means 1 plus minus 6, which is nothing but minus 5. Okay. 1 plus minus 2 into 5 means minus 10 plus 1, which is nothing but minus 9. Here 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. 1 minus 0, 1 and 0. What is next operation? R3 plus minus 3 into R1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 2 plus minus 3 into corresponding entry is 3. 2 minus 9, which is minus 7. Okay. 4 minus 15 means minus 11. Okay. 0 minus 3 minus 3. 0 minus 0. 1 minus 0. See? 1. Okay. See here. Actually, we have to convert this A into identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. So here we require 1. For this we perform operation minus 1 upon 5 into R2. What we get? See here, first row as it is 1 0 0 0 upon 0 into minus 1 upon 5 is 0, minus 5 into minus 1 upon 5, obviously 1, which is 9 by 5, minus 2 into minus 1 upon 5 is 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5 and 0. Third row as it is minus 7, minus 11, minus 3, 0, 1. Okay. See here we require 0. Okay. For this we perform row operation R3 plus 7 R2. R3 plus 7 R2. First row is as it is 135, 100, 0, 1, 9 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 0. See here 0 plus 7 R2 means 0 into 0 plus 7 into 0 we get 0, minus 7 plus 7 0. Okay, minus 7 plus 7 is 0. What is this? Is minus 11 plus 7 into 9 by 5, which is nothing but 8 by 5. Next entry is minus 1 upon 5. Next is minus 7 by 5 and 1. Okay. Here we require 1. For this we perform row operation 5 by 8 into R3. 5 by 8 into R3. 1, 3, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 9 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 0. Obviously 0 into 5 by 8, 0, 0. 8 by 5 into 5 by 8 is 1. This is minus 1 by 8. This is minus 7 by 8. And this is 5 by 8. Okay. This is 5 by 8. Now, see here we require 0. Therefore, we perform row operation. Therefore, we perform row operation R1 plus minus 3 into R3. R1 plus minus 3 into R3. Okay, see here R1 is 1 plus minus 3 into 0, which is 0, which is 1. Okay, second entry is here. What we have to do? Sorry, here is R2. Okay, R1 plus minus 3 into R2. Obviously, R1 is 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, 3 minus 3 is 0. Next entry is minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 0. Okay. Second row and third row as it is 0, 1, 9 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5 and 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1 by 8, minus 7 by 8 and 5 by 8. Okay. See here. Now here we require 0. Therefore we perform row operation R1 plus 2 upon 5 into R3. Okay. And here also we require 0. Therefore we perform row operation R2 plus minus 9 by 5 into R3. Okay. See here. What is row operation? R1 plus 2 upon 5 into R3. Okay. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Second is 0 plus 0. Again 0. Next is minus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, which is 0. Then next is R1 is nothing but minus 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 into R3 minus 1 by 8. Calculating this we get minus 1 by 4. Similarly, the next entry is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Second row is 0, R2 plus minus 9 by 5 R3. Obviously, this entry is 0. Next is 1 plus 0 into 9 by 5 minus 9 by 5. Therefore, this entry is obviously 1, which is 9 by 5 minus 9 by 5 is 0. Then next entry is 5 by 8, 11 by 8 minus 9 by 8. Okay. And last row is 0, 0, 1 minus 1 by 8 minus 7 by 8, 5 by 8. Okay. See here we get this A is row equivalent to identity matrix. Therefore, this matrix is nothing but the A inverse. Hence A inverse is equals to minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 5 by 8, 11 by 8, minus 9 by 8, 7 by 8, sorry, here is minus 1 by 8, minus 7 by 8, 5 by 8. This is the A inverse. Hence, solution of this problem is complete. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.